Good morning, students. Welcome to the lecture series of soft computing. In soft computing, we are learning about genetic algorithm. There are various operators that we use in genetic algorithm, and they are encoding operator, selection or reproduction operator, recombination or crossover operator, and the mutation operator. In my previous lecture, I have already discussed about the encoding operator and the selection operator. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss about the crossover operator. Now, once we have encoded the individuals, then among all the individuals, we have selected the fittest individual using the selection operator method. And now once the individuals are selected or after the reproduction phase is over, the population is enriched with the better individuals. Now reproduction makes the clones of good strings. The crossover operator is used to create new solutions from the existing solutions available in the matching pool after applying the selection operator. Now we apply this crossover operator in the matching pool with a hope that it would create a better string. पहले हम लोगों ने सारे इंडिविजुअल्स को इनकोडिंग ऑपरेटर यूज करके इनकोड कर दिया. Then we have selected the better individuals or the fittest individuals using the selection operator method. And now once we have selected the fittest individuals, now this fittest individuals will be cross over in order to get a new individuals. This operator exchanges the gene information, or you can say that they exchange the genetic material between the solution in the matching pool. In the matching pool, we keep all the fittest individuals, and then the crossover is done between the two individuals in order to produce the new offspring. Now, this is the crossover. This is our chromosome. This point is called your centromere, which holds the two chromatids together, and here we have the gene, that is the segment of the DNA that codes for the trait. We know that the offspring will carry the trait of the parent, so just because of the DNA present in the chromosome, the features of the parents will move to the child. And these are the two chromatids which are the identical copies, and here they are combined. Now this crossover operator selects any two solutions string randomly from the matching pool, and some portion of the string is exchanged between the both the selected string. जो भी हमारा इंडिविजुअल है, जो भी हमने सिलेक्ट किया है इंडिविजुअल्स को यूजिंग द सिलेक्शन ऑपरेटर, उसको हम लोग सारे इंडिविजुअल्स को मैटिंग पूल में रखते हैं. एंड अमॉन्ग द मैटिंग पूल द टू इंडिविजुअल्स आर सिलेक्टेड फॉर द क्रॉस ओवर. After the crossover, the new offspring is produced because of the exchange of the genetic material between the two selected individual. The probability of the crossover is also introduced in the order to give freedom to an individual solution string to determine whether the solution would go for a crossover or not. Yes, we have selected the two individuals, but there is a probability of the crossover whether the individuals will go for the crossover or not. Now, we have the individual 1 or and the individual 2. Either you can say that we have a solution 1 and a solution 2, and this is the crossover site that we select. once we have selected the crossover site, उसके बाद का जो जेनेटिक मटेरियल है वो दोनों इंडिविजुअल के बीच एक्सचेंज हो जाता है. दैट इज आवर एंड the new offspring will be produced. We will have the child 1 and child 2. Now you can see that the child 1 will have the trait of the parents. The child 1 will be the same as the solution 1 up to this point only, because this line is called your crossover site, and the child 2 is same up to this as the solution 2, and after this the genetic material is exchanged between both the parents. तो ये जो genetic material exchange हुआ है solution 1 and solution 2 के बीच, just because of that two offsprings are produced, that is your child 1 and child 2. And after this you can see that the genetic material has been exchanged. Initially the solution 1 is completely blue in color and the solution 2 is completely green in color, and once the genetic material is exchanged between the two parents, the child 1 and child 2 is produced, and after this cross site the genetic material is exchanged. Here now earlier it was blue, now we have green, and in the child 2 here now we have the blue color. So this is the crossover operator. We have a different types of crossover operator. They are single site crossover, or you can say that sometimes it is also called a single point crossover, 2 point crossover, multi-point crossover, uniform crossover, and the matrix crossover. These are the different types of crossover. I will explain each crossover in detail with example. Now let's first understand what do you mean by a 1 point crossover. In a 1 point crossover, a random cross point is selected, जिसको हम लोग cross site भी बोलते हैं, and the tail of its two parents are swapped to get a new of the string. After this cross site, or you can say that the crossover point, this is the tail of the parent. तो क्या होता है कि once the crossover is done, ये जो tail के जो पोर्शन है वो एक्सचेंज हो जाते हैं इन द चाइल्ड. सो दिस इज आवर पेरेंट 1, this is our parent 2, and we have selected this cross site. The cross site is selected randomly. आपको कहीं पे भी कोई भी cross site select कर सकते हैं, and after once we select the cross site, so the tail of the parents is exchanged between the two chromosomes. So now you can see that the portion of the parent 2 is present here, and the tail portion of the parent 1 is present here. This is our child 1 and this is our child 2. So 1 point crossover means there will be only a one cross site, and after the cross site the material will be, or the information will be exchanged between the parents. Sometimes in other example you can also see that if we have taken the solution in the form of a binary, then it will be, let's assume that I have taken the chromosome 1 is represented in the binary form. If this is our parent 1, and this is our parent 2, then let's select the cross site. Let's see that I have selected the cross site here. So what will happen after the cross site? The child will be like 0 0 0. Sorry, it is 0011, and now here we will have 1 1 1 0, and the second child will be like 0 1 0 1, and the material will be exchanged. So we will have 0 0